change.
It's a paper tree. You can make clothing out of stuff like this.
Well, girl, I don't know. But, oh, there's the trail.
That's the trail we were just on. I'm gonna go check out what that light is up there.
What?
Just right there, that clearing. I'm just gonna run up there real quick.